Goldman Sachs just warned 300 million jobs globally are at risk by 2028, not 2035. Not someday, now. OpenAI's O1 model processes contracts in seconds. Lawyers used to bill 40 hours. That's $47,000 gone. Vanished? McKinsey data shows 44% of administrative work will automate. Your company knows this already. They're hiring AI specialists, not coordinators. JPMorgan deployed Coin last year. One platform replaced 360 lawyers instantly. 360. That's entire departments erased overnight. White-collar workers earn 60 to 200K annually. Those salaries are targets now. Your specific job might not exist in 36 months. Accountants, paralegals, junior analysts, customer service managers, all facing displacement at scale. The World Economic Forum confirms it. 69 million jobs lost by 2028, but 97 million created in AI fields. The transition period is brutal. Brutal for those unprepared. Your mortgage doesn't care about job transitions. Your family's health care depends on your paycheck today. This isn't theoretical anymore. This is your career timeline. This is your next 3 years collapsing into AI automation. The question isn't if your role automates. The question is when, and whether you're ready. Like and subscribe for more Zero Input AI every day.